State your next witness.
Detective Daniel O'Connell.
It's open. You solemnly swear that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
If you could please be seated, state and spell your name for the record.
Daniel O'Connell, DanielO''Connell.
Are you a detective with the Milwaukee Police Department?
I am.
How long have you been a detective, or how long have you been with the department, I should ask?
10 years.
And how long a detective?
Approximately 3.
What unit are you assigned to?
Homicide division.
Did you assist in investigating the disappearance of Sade Robinson in early April 2024?
I did.
Was one of the roles that you played in investigating her disappearance to look for video that might be relevant around the area of Maxwell Anderson's residence?
It was.
Did that include looking for video in the T alley that borders his residence?
Yes,
Did you find any video that showed anything of note
I did.
in that T alley?
I did.
What did it show? It just summarized. We're gonna watch it, but
I located at 3120 South 40th Street, which is faces, the rear of the house faces to the east. What we'll see is Ms. Robinson's car traveling north in the 3100 block of North 39th Street. It's gonna pass the entrance alleyway, back up, and then proceed west through the T, or the east-west portion of the alleyway, and then turn south on the T alleyway and out of the view of the camera.
what time did this occur at?
9 p.m., 9:16 p.m., roughly.
All right. On what date?
April 2nd. I apologize. The camera will show 9:16. It's actually slow by 4 minutes, so it's actually 9:20 p.m. Real time.
All right. I have on the screen here, Exhibit 443 is going to come up hopefully shortly. So are we talking about this T alley here?
Correct.
All right. And the camera footage shows what? The entrance?
It will show the entrance from 39th Street.
Okay.
And the alleyway running east-west, and then just the north portion of the north-south portion of the alleyway.
I'm going to pull up a disc that I have marked as Exhibit 208. And I'm going to play the file that is, the end of the file name is 5958_part1. All right. Now, at the top here, there's a date and time stamp. Is the date accurate?
It is accurate.
Okay, and in this particular instance, the month and the day are in reverse order, is that right?
Correct.
Okay, so the one in the beginning is the 1st of April, right?
Correct.
All right, and you said the camera's how much off?
4 minutes.
I'm going to go, I'd move Exhibit 208 in.
Any objection?
No.
Received.
I'm going to advance the video 4 minutes and 32 seconds. All right, kind of hard to see because of the glare here, but what time is this?
It's 21:16:25, which would be 9:16 p.m. According to the camera time, and real time would be 9:20 p.m.
Was there a specific reason you were looking for this time period?
That's the approximate time that we believe that she arrived at Mr. Anderson's house.
Do you know what that was based on?
It was based on various phone records, applications.
I'm going to play this clip until, well, I'm going to play about 20-some seconds of it. Oh, actually, before I do that, just orient us a little bit.
Sure.
What is this where my mouse is going?
That is South 39th Street, the 3100 block.
This right here where my mouse is now?
The east-west portion of the alleyway between 39th and 40th.
And here?
That's the north-south alley.
His residence would be where in relation to this?
It would be south out of the view of the camera.
To the right side?
To the right side, correct?
And it plays in fast forward, right?
It does.
Okay. What are we seeing?
You're seeing Ms. Robinson's car drive past the entrance to the or the alleyway, and then stop, reverse, and then enter the alleyway before going south through the north-south portion.
All right, it happens quick, so I'll play it again. I'm pausing it at 4:58 on the video player timestamp, and I'm backing up to 4:32. And tell us when you see it again.
Her car is just entering the frame. It's now reversing and turning into the alleyway, and then it'll turn south here shortly.
I have it in slow motion here. Next clip is the file ending 10000_part1. I'm going to advance this to 4 minutes, 33 seconds into the clip. Where are we looking now?
This is the garage. This is at the north end of the north portion of the alleyway, basically the T. Ms. Robinson's car will be entering the camera frame from the top, which would be the east, and then it'll turn south to the right off the camera view.
Right there?
Correct.
All right, one more time since it plays in fast forward. Heading in the direction of Mr. Anderson's home?
Correct.
Okay. I have nothing else.
Correct.
Just 1 minute, please.
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, actually, I do have more, sorry.
It's good timing then.
Perfect, go ahead.
You got another camera, right?
I did.
And you were focusing on a different time frame at this point.
I was.
Tell us about that.
This was a time frame after, this would be on the 2nd of April, where we believe Ms. Robinson's car and maybe traveling north on North 40 or South 43rd Street.
After departing Mr. Anderson's residence,
Correct.
did you find a video on South 43rd Street?
I did at 3119 South 43rd Street.
If I bring the map back up here, we're looking right where my mouse is here, correct?
Correct.
Okay. This is going to be a disc marked Exhibit 209. Where did you get this video from?
I got this from 3119 South 43rd Street.
And where would that be on this map here?
It would be in the same 100 block as Mr. Anderson's house, just 3 blocks over in the main thoroughfare there, just south of Oklahoma Avenue.
So right around where my mouse is?
Approximately, yes.
And what does it depict?
It depicts Ms. Robinson's car traveling north on South 43rd Street towards Oklahoma Avenue. There's 2 camera frames, one sort of facing to the south and then one to the east, which captures the northeast direction.
All right, is this the clip here?
Yes, this is the northeast direction. West Oklahoma Avenue would be just off the left side of the screen.
I'm gonna advance this clip to 9 minutes. So we're looking at what time in real time here?
This is this camera is accurate to real time and accurate to the date as well. So it's 12:49:10.
And were you aware that the vehicle left the alley around like 12:47?
Correct.
Action leading.
I'll withdraw the question.
Okay.
Do you know what time, well, why were you looking at this time period?
We're looking at this time period because we had information that the vehicle would have been traveling somewhere along this route to the north side of Milwaukee.
Playing at 9 minutes, the timestamp is 12:49:10 a.m. on April 2nd, 2024. And let us know when you see anything that was of note to you.
That vehicle right there would be Ms. Robinson's vehicle.
Do you see anything about the taillights that was distinct to you?
Just the shape of them for that year of the vehicle was distinct in that manner.
I'll zoom in and play it again since it happens kind of quick.
And that would be her vehicle traveling north on South 43rd Street.
And through what intersection right there?
It would be approaching West Oklahoma Avenue.
Okay, I paused it at 9:13. The time on the camera is 12:49:24 a.m. And now I have nothing further.
Cross.
Oh, I'll move 209 in.
Any objection?
No.
It's received.
Good morning.
Morning.
You were actually, before we talk about this, you were also involved in a search of Galena Street Park area, weren't you?
I was.
So if I ask you questions about that area, you'll be able to answer them, right?
Correct.
When we were talking, the reason you had gone to the Galena Street Park, we're talking about the park at 31st and Galena, aren't we?
In that area, yes.
It's a little pocket park in the neighborhood, right?
Correct.
That neighborhood is south of Lisbon Avenue.
Yes.
And it's, the park itself is a nice little kids' playground almost, right?
Correct.
And at the east end of the park is the wooded area, and then there's a path that goes down to train tracks down below, right?
Correct.
Give me 1 second. So if I can explain it, as you would walk through this little pocket park, if you were to go through the park, that's where you would get to the wooded area, right?
Going east, yes.
Going east. And then as you get into that wooded area, there's sort of makeshift trails, if you will. You can even call them trails or walking paths.
Yes.
Not even really trails, because they're just sort of like foot traffic over the years, right?
Correct.
And it's a muddy area.
At that time it was.
Well,
when I was there.
at that time, because it had been raining for days, right?
As I recall, it had been raining, I don't know for how long, but yeah, it was muddy at that point.
And your job was to canvass that area with other detectives to canvass the train track area, right?
Yes.
So to get to that train track area, you walked through that park, through the trails, down the hill.
Yes.
And the way you get down that hill is you just walk down one of those walking paths. There's a fence, there's an opening in the fence, and then you walk through that opening and you're down by the train tracks.
Yes.
And when you did that search, what day did you do that search?
Don't recall a specific day. It was early April as well.
Yeah, if I said April 6th, does that sound about right?
Yes.
And you know that you were with numerous other officers at that time, right?
Correct.
And you actually call it the 31st and Galena Playground, right?
Yes.
The purpose of that search was to look for any evidence that may have been missed on earlier searches.
Correct.
And in law enforcement, because things can be missed, obviously.
Correct.
And so sometimes sometimes law enforcement does multiple searches to make sure, to see if they missed something.
Correct.
And were you aware of the fact that citizens had been finding things that law enforcement missed?
I had been, yes.
You were aware of that?
We were aware of,
Okay.
of things that they had located.
Yeah. And so then that area to get down to the train tracks again, you to be clear, at that time, very muddy area.
Yes, we eventually started moving to off the path to take a less steep angle to avoid the muddy path.
Right, and actually down along the train tracks, you recovered a long bone, didn't you?
I did not know.
We identified a long bone, right?
Not me personally. I was there when one was identified.
Okay.
My partner, Jose Flores, had recovered one.
I'm sorry, you didn't recover it, but you were there when it was
I was
recovered.
there, correct.
And that was your partner?
Correct.
Okay. With respect to this footage from the alley that you've looked at, is it just that little snapshot of time that you collected, or did you collect footage from hours earlier?
Not hours earlier. I believe the clip was, I think that one was maybe 15 minutes long or 12 approximately from the 3120 South 40th.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that
I
last.
said the address is 3120 South 40th. I believe those were like 12-minute clips maybe.
Okay, I was having a trouble, you collected one clip, is that what you're saying?
From 2 clips from the 2 cameras, they were spread over the time. I'm not exactly sure how long they were.
Okay, but the one we were watching of the Civic leaving the alley was at what time?
I didn't capture any video of the Civic leaving the alley, just arriving,
Or just arriving?
just arriving.
Just driving.
Driving through the alley towards Mr. Anderson's house.
At what time?
That would have been approximately 9:20 p.m.
Okay, and that's just those clips from that time frame is all that you obtained?
There's some on either end of it, but no amount of time longer than like 30 minutes, I believe.
Okay, that's all.
State?
Nothing else.
Thank you, Detective.